Minimalism for the minimalist. Simple, clean lines. Maybe there's few components to the space, but it is laced with dynamic pieces just to give it that pop. You know what I mean? You often get wood, fine textiles in the furniture, stone tabletops like marble. Plants can be strategically placed, and colors are often neutral, muted, or mostly earth tones. Natural materials play a starring role in minimalist decor. They add warmth and texture to the space. You can go from sleek hardwood floors to raw stone accents. These materials bring a sense of grounding and authenticity to the minimalist aesthetic. Natural light is also a key element of the minimalist design, but we'll discuss this in depth in the next part of this series. Thank you for being here today. Take care and be well.